Good afternoon. Today we will see how to use the referencing software Mendeley. So, hope all of you know about the Mendeley. Mendeley is a software which is used to make the bibliography for the papers which we want to publish. So Mendeley you can download from the internet. So here if you go for this website, you can download for the Mendeley for different you can select your go to download here. You can download for the Mac OS or you can download for the desktop, Windows, and you can use for Linux. For any operating system you can download Mendeley. So I already installed this, so directly we will go for the Mendeley software. So here, see, I have already added papers here, citations. So we will see how to add a citation in the Mendeley now. So generally what we will be doing, so before writing any uh, article, any paper for publishing, we will be searching different papers. So let's suppose I'm searching a paper for load frequency control with let's suppose PI controller. Now suppose if this is the paper I want to cite in my paper. So here directly you can go for add to Mendeley. So Mendeley here web importer. If you sign in here, you can directly add. So it came here. We have selected this. Just add this. This paper is published in 2018. Saksena. So now we will go to library. So here it is added 2018 Saksena PI controller based low frequency control approach. So now if we go to Mendeley here, so this is the installed software. So here let us check whether it is available or not. It is not added here. That what we have added here, this is in the cloud. So now if I want to work offline, how to do this. So let us take another one. Suppose we will take some paper which is published in 2020. Let us take from IEEE anything. Yeah, suppose this is load frequency control. Now for IEEE, here it will be like this, cite this. So go to BBTeX, download. You can download with abstract or without abstract. So I'm downloading only citation. So this I will save in some of my folders. I have created a folder like Mendeley references. Save this. Right, now close. Now go to Mendeley. Now here add files. Yeah. Now this is we are having. Open this. Yes. So here it is added. So this is the load frequency control of autonomous microgrid using robust fuzzy PI control. So the same thing it is added here. So basically this Mendeley is used for searching the references, inserting the references in our Word document, to create a bibliography, and then we can publish the paper. So this is the first step which we have added this thing with the from the website. Now suppose if I have I want to add manually. So suppose if you click here, add manually. So like this one window will open. Here you can select different what do you want to add: book selection, computer program, article, hearing, patent report, or television broadcast, web page. Let's suppose we will go for web page. So suppose if you know the authors, you can write the author names here like H. B. C. Now publication year. Let's suppose 1999. Pages. I don't know. Abstract. If you have abstract, you can type here. Other keywords, data access, URL. URL. You can let's suppose a URL like this. DOI, if you know DOI, you can put the DOI. You have a file, you can put here. You can save it. See. So now we have added this reference in Mendeley. So now if you go for this URL, you can open this page directly. Okay. Now how to cite these articles in our Microsoft Word document. So when you install Microsoft, automatically it will be added to your Microsoft Word document. So now suppose here if I want to insert a reference, now what I will do, I will go for here insert or edit citation. Now a window will be opened like this. Here search a author name which we have just now added, HETT, like this. This is scheme. So this okay. So now here it came. So now see this number 1 is added here. So if you see the bibliography here, so the number 1 will be the same thing. First one added here, like what we have added. So here if we put a title, the title also will come here. So how to do this? There is no title. So what I can do, I can go for Mendeley, and here title is empty. So put the title, some title here. Suppose this is, take this title and insert here. So it will come. So now you see the first one. So once again, so here go to our references page here, just delete this, and then now insert, added here, you can see here. So the same thing will be added here. See this here. So whatever you make changes in the Mendeley, it will appear. Okay. So second thing, what we can do with this Mendeley, once if you add the references, you can if we want, we can change also. Suppose here I have another one I want to insert. Let's suppose this one. This is 2. Let's suppose we have another one. Now by selecting these 3, I can merge also. See, this is 1, 2, 3. Writing like this is not good, so we can merge this. So after selecting these 3, just go to here, merge citation. So it is 1, 2, 3. So automatically the next number will change into 4. Next number it will change into 5. Next number it will change into 6. And if you go to the bibliography here at the end of the article here, you will get inline. And we can change also. We can manually override these citation numbers, and we can select the style also here. See, this is the reference citing, it is IEEE. You can select different journals. Here there are so many journals. You can select. You can type any journal. Suppose let's suppose International Journal of Electronics and Communication. So you can install this. Once it is installed, you can use this. So here you can see use this style. Done. So all my citations will convert into that journal's style. Okay, so like this we can use different styles here. So like this we can use Mendeley and we can publish our papers very easily. Hope you understood. Thank you.